Hello guys, my name is Satyendra Punia and I'm your anchor, I'm your teacher and I'm your mentor, advisor, you can say anything. Because look, you are 15 and 20 kids, so just it's okay that you are advising someone who are mm, older than you and also experienced than you. And look, I'm telling you, I can assure you, no one will give you information like this, and no one will give you this kind of suggestion. Because you see, school, college, coaching, what you learn, what you learn, just say typing, English writing, I mean school, college, all the things you are just learning, only only books knowledge, okay? But remember guys, life is not about books. Life is not about books. Life is a book, and you have to solve your life solution, life problem. Otherwise, only no one will help you. Okay. First of all, just step and just trap this out that there is a God is sitting and he is come to helping you. No, no, no. There is no God, no Allah, no Jesus, no Christ. Don't think all the things are man-made. Okay. I mean, who have seen? I mean, history is written over 15,000. So then how you can say that is in someone is sky and there is a God and he is seeing you? Always just see only what you know. Truth, 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 truth. Okay. One thing I'm telling you all them. I mean, this rule will never change. Satyamev Jayate. This will never change. Even don't think this is a Hadappa. This is a Hadappa. This is a Mohenjo-daro. This is a Adivasi. This is a Adi Manav culture, and this is a 2026 tribal. This is a tribal culture. Doesn't matter. One thing will always win. Truth, truth, truth. No one can beat the truth. Okay. So that's why I'm telling you. I'm just giving you that information which no one is giving you. And look, I'm not comparing myself just with a great philosopher. All the things I just experienced and I'm telling with my audience, okay? And I know my audience is going to 15 and 20 student. Today's my topic is, yes, very important topic, sex education. Look guys, there is a biggest storm in this world is coming that man symbol that if you are not smoke, you are not a man. If you are not drink alcohol, you are not a man. If you are not, no, guys, this is not the symbol of that you are a man. Man is symbol when, first of all, if you are a fighter. If you are a fighter, I mean fighter about, I'm telling you that you have to fight everyone. No, fighter about life. Okay, I mean you are a fighter of life. You can solve every situation. Every situation is like just child game. Come to every situation. See, I will see whatever will happen. Make your aura like this. Make your aura like this. And look, in the and also this intercourse sex, never get me excited that you have many girls, too much girls. Always just first of all you have to understand with your partner. Okay, make comfort. I mean your partner can understanding your every intention. Okay, your partner understanding your every intention. I mean, look, world thinking about yourself doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. No one care. No one care. Okay. Even and look, just step out this illusion. Even right now in 2026, in village people don't care. Okay. In village people don't care. No one care. So first of all, just your mutual understanding your partner is understanding your emotion every month. And also never get be too excited that you have too many girls. Always just these, always look, this is the thing that you are mature. Okay, this is the thing, this is the symbol that now you are mature enough to understanding everything. And if you are 18 and 20s, I'm just telling you a very simple thing, just make your career. I mean, this is the very good thing, just make your career, and this thing will automatically happen when time will come, automatically happen. Just build your career, build your life, and don't be overexcited with any situation. Okay, and I'm telling you the biggest reason that you can keep always yourself as a man, just become a life fight, just become a life fighter. I mean, look, in life no one knows what will happen next second. Okay, you don't know, I don't know, no one is know what will happen in next second. But one thing will make your change your life, that now you are ready that what will come next. This will make your life swarg. Swarg. This, there is no hell or heaven. Just step out this rubbish. Step out this all this kind of rubbish that after you die there is a hell, there is heaven. These all are just garbage, shit people talks. Okay? This is all the shit people talks. This is the hell. This is the heaven. This is. So make yourself like that you are ready to solve every situation. Okay? Otherwise, look, life will give you only two options. Life will give you only and only two options, and you have to choose one option. या तो तुम सड़ सड़ के मरोगे या हंस हंस के मरोगे. मरना पक्का है. Death is necessary. Death is necessary. One day everyone will die. One day everyone die will confirm. Confirm everyone will die one day. You have to choose only one option. Either you will die with a joy, with a laugh, with a full of heart. Either you will die like a shit. And I don't have to tell that what kind of world we are living. I mean, I have seen guys, many people who are live life like a shit, and still they are living, and whole life they are living because their aura, they build their aura from day night hard work, yes, passion, compassion, day night hard work with the full of life passion. They make their build life themselves. Okay, so it's not easy to be like this. It's not easy to be like this. You have to prepare, a year and year, over year and a year hard work. So don't be like this. Life is very short. Live like a full of joy. Just I'm telling you, live like a fighter. Just live like a fighter. And also look, if you are keep watching my channel, I'm telling you, you will a great joy. No one will beat you. You will improve day by day, because this kind of information also, you are speaking English, you will get influence. You will fluently English speaker. English is a very necessary language. Otherwise, you won't be survive anywhere, anything. Okay. Now in Delhi, in Mumbai, in Bangalore, Kerala, guys, English is compulsory. English is necessary. So just wake up, speak English, learn English, and just watch my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And please tell me in comment section. So what your opinion about my content is. Look, I will make this content day by day. Okay. either you follow, you not follow, but I will do my work. Okay, thank you very much.